to jump together.
Super typhoon na daw po kasi.
Super typhoon?
Oh girl. Clyde is waiting for this phase, right?
This one safe?
No.
No?
I didn't sign up for this!
Filipinos are known to be hardworking and would do anything to help support their families. Because of this, most never really get to travel and experience the beauty of their own country. So that's why in this video, we'll be surprising 2 of our hardworking Filipino followers to get out of their comfort zone and come join us in an epic adventure in Coron, the island known for its beautiful island hopping destinations and breathtaking lagoons. Plot twist, they have no idea where we'll be heading. Let me backtrack a bit. Over the past years, we've had the opportunity to find strangers and bring them on spontaneous activities outside their comfort zones. Basing our idea on that, we wanted to try it out here in the Philippines. So here's what we did. We posted on IG that we were looking for 2 adventurous and hardworking Filipinos that needed a break. After going through many submissions and meetings via Zoom calls, there were 2 that really stood out to us. Enter Jomar and Crystal Me. Their stories of being the breadwinner for their families and not having time for traveling their own country, let alone time for themselves, was clear to us that we wanted them to join us. Our plan? Give them an epic break they will remember forever. How's it going, Jomar? Nice to finally meet you. How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah. Where's Crystal Me?
Excited na po.
Any idea? Oh? Name a place.
I think it's like Boracay, Siargao, Palawan.
Oh my god. Coron.
Are you ready to go to Coron?
Fun fact, this is actually Jomar's first time riding on an airplane. How crazy is that, right?
If I'm still dreaming, don't wake me up.
After a quick hour and 30 flight, we landed in Coron and met up with Clyde and Crystal Me and headed straight to our Airbnb. We're here, the homestay. Alright guys, since you're the guest, you can choose the room. We got settled in real quick, but we didn't waste any time to start on our first adventure. Unfortunately though, it was raining the whole day, but that's the thing with travel. Everything that can go wrong will probably go wrong. Okay, so we had a change of plans. We were supposed to go up to Mount Tapias there, but the kuya said it was really dangerous and slippery, so we decided not to do it and decided to explore Coron town instead. Damn, besties already. I love it. What kind of motivated you guys to sign up for this?
Going out of your comfort zone is something that is very challenging, but it's much more fulfilling when you were able to face your fears.
We manifested, guys.
Yeah, we manifest. See the power of
This
manifestation.
is the power of manifestation.
After getting to bond a bit more throughout the night, I can tell that they were in the right mindset for tomorrow's jam-packed adventures where they will definitely be taken out of their comfort zones. Good morning, ready?
Morning. Hi, I'm ready.
Ready, Jomar? Oh wow,
Is this your first island hopping?
Yes.
Run, here we go.
After a short 15-minute boat ride from Coron town, we were greeted by the stunning limestones and crystal clear waters.
Very clear water compared to the city.
But we still needed to walk up 370 plus steps to our first destination in Kayangan Lake. And now we have finally arrived and we're stunned by the gorgeous emerald color water. A perfect place to test our 2 strangers. Yeah, then
Wait for one moment, RJ. Wait, kuya, huwag ka magbibila. Huwag ka magbibila. Wait. Oh my God.
you got it, Jomar. Whoa! How's that? You faced your fear.
Nice.
Yeah, and there's known to be a giant squid here now.
I don't care. Because I can jump now. I was able to conquer it. Thank you so much. So we're done with our first destination.
And didn't waste any time to head to our next paradise location.
I can die in peace right now.
I'm having so much fun, guys.
Pretty proud because we taught Crystal Me how to use a snorkel. She kept breathing in the water. So it was like, no, we gotta teach her the right way.
It's super nice to learn something new and stretch out my comfort zone.
I'm so proud of you. You went all the way deep over there. No more fear, huh?
No more fear now.
No more fear of water. So
You know.
next step, no more life jacket.
Yes.
Wow, see, this is about. Oh. Still high energy?
Yet still, we still have energy.
Yeah.
I have used like 0.3 of my energy.
0.3?
I'm still
At the
up
point
for
is
more
the third
challenge to
person.
come.
Oh.
Me too, I'm still up for more challenge.
It was really awesome to see how down our two strangers were. They even went mini cliff jumping in Twin Lagoon.
Oh my god. I have never done that.
Next step is higher. Oh my god,
what are you doing? You feel like you break your limit. And after that, you think like you could do more.
What else? What challenge?
Crystal me swam underwater to get to the other side of another lagoon. Let's go check up on her. Ooh, you made it! You made it! And this was the funniest part.
Let's have a challenge. I can jump as well.
Dude, they're making challenges for themselves. I love it. Woo! Wow! Nice, very nice. Oh, Jomar's so adventurous now.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh! To step out of your comfort zone, people think that you need to be in the perfect circumstances. But these two showed us that rain or shine, it's really all about the mindset. With the challenges that they were conquering together, it looked like our two strangers are becoming best friends.
Here, I stand on red! Woo! Are we supposed to jump?
I thought we were going to jump together.
This was such a fun tour filled with a lot of first times, good vibes, and just conquering one's fear. A phenomenal first day, but we're most excited for tomorrow's adventure in Black and Pass Island.
Super typhoon na daw po kasi.
Super typhoon? It's pretty dangerous.
Risky talaga siya.
Very risky. So the Kuya was talking to the Coast Guard. They're saying that it's not possible. It doesn't mean that the day is wasted. You know, we could always do something. There's always a way. So after some research, we found a few hidden gems and told them the game plan. I'm not surprised that they were down for it. So instead of Black Island, we're now headed to see a hidden gem in Busuanga Island. How's the energy level?
We're more than ready and we're born ready.
Yes, I love that.
This is also my first time.
What? It's your first time doing hikes?
Yes.
You don't usually like go out to like nature stuff usually.
No.
Just work usually.
Just work usually, so this is new to me again, another first time.
Oh my god. After an hour and a half of going through the jungle and streams, it's inspiring how these two never seem to run out of energy.
We're here in a Coron Falls, guys!
Is it your first waterfalls?
Yeah, it's my first one.
Really? Oh
my god, I'm so happy.
The biggest falls that I've seen in my entire lifetime is this one, right here. Yeah, I'm amazed. I'm overwhelmed with this majestic beauty in front of me right now.
Yeah, even we failed to go to the Black Island, but looking at this falls, you know, it's really worth it. And you know, everything happens for a reason. I think this is the reason why we're here. Woo! 1, 2, 3, go!
It was amazing to hear about your stories, how you sacrificed for your families and whatnot. I have a surprise for you.
Where did you get that?
Oh my god.
Who's that?
My mom and my dad.
Oh my god! My sisters.
Hi, Till! Surprise!
That's my auntie.
Thankful ko for the sakripisyo nga imong gihatag para sa atong family.
I'm happy to have you as my older brother, Jomar, in my life. I appreciate you being there for me, brother.
For all the sacrifices
That's my sister.
you made for your family, especially for me, for putting off yourself first, just to make me go to school, I would say. I'm so grateful for having you as my sister.
Unconditional love po siya sa amin. Breadwinner po namin. Thank you, brother, and sana ma-enjoy mo
you guys.
trip mo.
I think Clyde is waiting for this phase, right?
We chose you guys because you worked hard, right? I want you to know that they appreciate you and your hard work as well. Lastly, Filipinos who are in your guys' same shoes, what have you learned and what can you advise them?
It's not really a big thing to take risk. As long as you're positive to the things around you, then you can overcome whatever mountains in front of you.
We've conquered the ocean and we've also conquered the mountains. The most important thing, I think, for us to conquer is conquering yourself. Feeling the fear and doing things despite the risk. It's what makes the life even more beautiful, I think.
Love that.
Yeah.
Love that. Thank you guys so much. It was a treat having you guys on this trip.
Oh my god, I'm gonna miss you guys. I'm gonna miss Joms.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna miss you too,
Super nice
girl.
to
No,
meet you
what do you
here.
mean miss? This is just the beginning.
Oh my gosh.
We're no longer strangers. We're friends and family now. We always have each other now. So thank you guys so much for an amazing trip. Go hug. Go hug. Go hug.
Oh my god.
You guys are awesome, man.
Thank you.
Though it was bittersweet that the trip has ended, it was such a blessing that we were able to go on this journey together. Experience new places, try new things, and most importantly, encourage each other to get out of our comfort zones. Again, a special thank you to both Jomar and Crystal Me for being an inspiration to all of us. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to
Like
And subscribe!
and we'll see you in the next one. Later! Boom, 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 boom.
1, 2, 3, go!
Boom, boom, boom.
Gotta get that boom boom boom.
This is just the beginning of the series here in the Philippines, so follow us if you want to join in on the next adventure. Later!